CWC unanimously requested Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to take the leader of the opposition position in Lok Sabha. All the participants unanimously put up their views on this issue. Everybody was unanimous that Rahul ji should take leader of the opposition position in the Lok Sabha. Because we already told, during this election, we raised so many issues, burning issues, unemployment, price rise, Agniveer-like issues, women issues, social justice issues. So these issues has to be continued in a greater manner inside the parliament also. Rahul ji is the best person to lead this campaign inside the parliament. This is what the CWC's view. Therefore, I think entire CWC feel that in the current scenario of Indian politics, for a better and strong, vigilant opposition, those who want to protect Constitution also, should be safe under the leadership of Rahul Gandhi ji as a leader of opposition. This is what the CWC resolution.